Hello and welcome to Reflect with Ritika, and this is a Tuesday and we are here to see what is the personal growth development. If you are looking for your development personally in your career, then definitely you are the one who has to listen to this, because here it's not just about career, it's about your family as well. You grow everywhere when you start growing, so it shows. So the first card that I have here is the Four of Wands. Now this talks about community, this talks about your family, this talks about your stability, and your grounds that held you together were your people, were the people that were around you. So you have always sought solace in being around with people, and they have been your superpower. Then what happened was, in the past you have felt that you have done all your bit. Now it's universe's time to revert, and you have waited for the result, but I guess you never got what you really wanted. Why? I'll tell you. Because you were not meant for doing what you were putting your energy and your time and effort into. Now you have realized it, and now you are ready to experiment with new things. You are ready to take on new challenges with a curious mind and get in your hands dirty in something that was not your path. You felt you were never meant for it and you jumped into it, and now you are loving it because you are all ready to experiment, try out things, and you have that childlike energy, not childish, childlike energy, where you are just out there and doing things. But you now require a strategy. You have learned a lot, you know a lot, but now it's time to strategize what you have learned so that you can use it with intention, with thoughtfulness, with mindfulness, like what you really want to do with what you have accomplished or what you have learned. So why you want to do what you want to do should be again your clarity. But again, now you have sought the things, you will create a strategy for sure, but then there will be paths where you will feel like you will have to set boundaries, because your energy is not limited. Your energy is not limitless. You have certain boundaries to yourself, and you will have to hold that fort for yourself so that you don't drain yourself out. You will have to delegate things to others. You will have to come out of your old uh, responsibilities and your old version. So suppose you were something at your workplace and you have switched to a new role. Definitely you have to leave the older responsibilities so that you can take the new ones. It's like that